I'm going to go through the different types of platforms we have on both web and mobile.
If you think about it, really, today, you are essentially the sum of your habits.
I'm an early stage startup, and I've appreciated learning everything from intimate information on cap tables to really how to creating good products and creating habits around products. And I've also appreciated the way I've been welcomed as an older founder, woman founder. It's not always easy to get this kind of feedback and also this kind of exposure.
Machine learning and AI is really trying to help human beings do better at what they're doing.
How many of you think you might want or need to raise money for this current startup you're in?
This is my first experience with the Startup 808 series, and it's really been a tremendous opportunity to receive comprehensive knowledge and learning from everything from startup strategies to the tech implementation side. It's been a great experience to meet the KiwiTech team and to also meet fellow entrepreneurs and learn from them as well.
So today I'll be talking to you about corporate governance, which is one of the most important topics for startups.
Ike, Emma, and Adam did a great job today on the sessions, and the Cooley Associates did a wonderful job in helping us prepare to see what kind of legal things we have to consider when getting our startup off the ground.
Very helpful for tech startups, and thank you for inviting us.